Tell him about it.
Oh my God. It's absolutely magnificent. Oh. Holy cow. Want me to get the doors? Welcome home. Yikes. She's in.
I've gotten Eagle does
His back. Oh, so much better. Right here. Boy, from the time that center stage. What? Take a bow, guys. Holy cow. So what they said was the wingspan is about 2 feet wider, bigger than the standard model at the time. The Smithsonian style.
look at tourists.
What a beauty.
Sounded like the little guy was using. If I understood him correct, most of the damage was right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
Showing
face
me
was
pictures.
smashed down.
And he said that the way they kept heating it up and bringing it back into its form, so the lines on the copper would talk to you. You know?
Yeah, that's somebody who knows their business too. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, the whole face was smashed. The tail was, even the one wing. I mean, there's no evidence. Look at,
It was sitting here. Could have just played like me.
well, it would have been fun to have it for the gala the other night, but it's back now.